Hello students, how are you all? You all are fine. Okay, you are learning grammar. Last lecture we did lesson 13. Today in this lecture we will learn ly words lesson 14 grammar. We will learn how they are formed, where ly words are used, and we will also do textual exercise. So I hope children you all are ready to do the lesson. Okay children, you all want to study. Okay, so listen carefully, understand well. See now, we will learn the words which tells more about the doing words. See, we have already learned doing words. So today we will learn the words which tell more, add something to the doing words, to the meaning of doing words, okay, which tells more about the doing words, okay. The words which will tell us how action happens. It will describe the doing words, okay children. So we will learn that types of words which describes the doing words, how the action happens. So are you ready to learn? Okay. So now watch this carefully. Okay? Yes. Now see. Read those sentences. See, first we will read the sentences. Okay? Can you see the picture here? See this picture. This is a picture of a soldier who fights with the enemies for the country. So, now see sentence. The soldier fought bravely. Fought. F-O-U-G-H, fought bravely. See here the action word is fought. Doing word is fought. How he fought? How the soldier fought? So, the soldier fought bravely. With bravely he fought. So the word is B-R-A-V-E-L-Y, bravely. Understand children? The soldier fought bravely. Bravely describes the doing words. Bravely tells more about the soldier action. What the soldier did. How he did. He fought. The soldier fought. How the soldier fought? The soldier fought bravely. Understood students? Okay, now see we will next sentence. See this as a picture of a girl. Girl, she is wearing skates, skateboard. See? Can you see in her? See, she is wearing skates. I am showing you in the picture. See, can you see? Skating. She is doing skating. Okay. See this girl. She is doing skating. Now see, we will learn the sentence. We will read the sentence. Okay. So the sentence is, Ritu skates beautifully. Ritu skates beautifully. See here, doing word is skates. She is skating. She is skating. But how she is skating? How action happens? Skates. So, beautifully. Beautifully. Ritu skates beautifully. How Ritu skates? Ritu skates beautifully. So, beautiful. Then we are adding ly words. Can you see your ly word? Yes. See at the end it is ly. Okay? Yeah. beautiful. Double ly. Beautifully. So I hope now you all are understanding. Okay, children? So Ritu skates beautifully. It describes the doing words. Beautifully describes the doing words here. In the sentence, doing word is skates. It describes how the action happens. Okay? So we are using ly words. Beautifully. 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 Ritu skates beautifully. Understood, students? Now see here, the boy is running. So the sentence is, I can run quickly. I can run quickly. See how the boy is running. The boy is running quickly. He is telling, I can run quickly. So here the doing word is run. How the running happens? How action happens? So I can run quickly. Running happens quickly. So here we are using ly words. So here quickly describes the doing words. Doing word is run. I can run quickly. It adds to the meaning of run. How running happens? Okay, children? So you all have understood? So I can run quickly. Now see, this is a bright sun. This is a picture of a sun. The sun shines brightly. The sun shines brightly. How the sun shines? How the sun shines? So, the sun shines brightly. So, the word brightly adds that how the action happens. Brightly tells us how action is happening. So here the action word is shines. How shines? How the sun shines? Brightly. See the word ly is added. brightly. Brightly. The sun shines brightly. It tells more about the shining. Okay, children? So now you all have understood. Very good. So now see. The highlighted words tell us more about the doing words. So children, we have seen that highlighted words bravely, beautifully, quickly, brightly. We have learnt, no? They all wear red colors, no? So that were highlighted. So the highlighted words tell us more about the doing words. So all the ly words ending with ly, they were highlighted. So they are the words which tell us more about the doing words. So I think you all have understood ly words. Okay. So now we will do exercise of the textbook. Okay, children. So this exercise is in your textbook. I will send you PDF of this lesson. Okay. So now see. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. This is your textual exercise. So we have to fill the blanks. The blanks will be coming. I will show you the blanks. In that blanks, you have to write these words. Okay? So we will see the words first. Neatly, neatly. Carefully, carefully. Carefully. Properly, properly. Properly. Slowly, slowly. Slowly. Quickly, quickly. Quickly. Loudly, loudly. Loudly. Beautifully, beautifully. Beautifully. Soundly, soundly. Soundly. See children, all these words are ly words. We use these words to show how action happens. These words describes the doing words or action words. Understood? So see these words: neatly, carefully, properly, slowly, quickly, loudly, beautifully, soundly. Understood? So these are the words. I will show you the sentences. In that sentence, you have to write these words to show the action happens. Okay, children? So this is your textbook exercise. This exercise is in your textbook. So now see sentence number A. See here the picture of a grandfather is given. Can you see the picture of grandfather? Very good. So now A. Grandfather walks. So there are words, no? Grandfather walks. See, he cannot walk. But how grandfather walks? Your action word is walk. How grandfather walks? So from the box we are writing slowly. So how the action happens? Not fast, but slowly. He has a stick. Grandfather is old, so he walks slowly. So sentences: grandfather walks slowly. We are adding ly to the word slow. Understood? How action happens? Walks slowly. Action happens slowly. Grandfather walks slowly. Understood, children? See here again. Grandfather walks slowly. Ly words comes here. It describes the doing words. Walk. Walk is doing word. We have learnt, no? Walk is a doing word. So grandfather walks. How grandfather walks? Slowly. Understood, children? Very good. So now see. Sentence number B. See, first you see the picture. See here the picture. Okay. See, the child is sleeping at night. So how the child is sleeping? The word sleeping is action words or doing words. The child is sleeping. How the child is sleeping? So we have given words have given in the box. From that you have to write. I showed you previous. So the child is sleeping soundly. See the spelling. SOUNDLY. Soundly. Action is happening soundly. It tells more about sleeping. Okay? The child is sleeping soundly. Soundly means quietly, very, without any noise. Okay? So, the sentence is, the child is sleeping soundly. How it's sleeping? Soundly. Understood? The child is sleeping soundly. Understood, children? Now see here, the girl is writing a letter. She is writing something. Number C is, she is writing a letter. She is writing a letter. But how she is writing a letter? How? How she will write? So, she is writing a letter neatly. Neatly she is writing. So, the action word here is writing. And neatly tells more about the writing. She is writing a letter neatly. How the action happens? So action happens neatly. Writing action. Writing is an action word. So neatly tells us more about the writing. Understood? So describes the doing words. It describes the doing words. Ly words describes doing words. So here the sentence is, she is writing a letter neatly. Neatly. We are adding ly to the word neat. Neatly. Okay, children? Very good. So she is writing a letter neatly. Okay? Now see. Sentence D. See here the children are crossing the roads. See there is zebra crossing here. Okay? So number D is, always cross the road. Always cross the road. Always cross the road. How you have to cross? The word was given there, no? Very good. Carefully. The word was given in the bracket. It is there in your textbook. Always cross the road carefully. So here the action is cross. Crossing. Okay. So how you have to cross the road? Carefully. So the ly word here is carefully. Describes the doing words. So carefully spelling CAREFULLY. Carefully. Always cross the road carefully. Understood, children? Now see your sentence number E. Come. See the picture. There is a rat after that boy. Boy is running and rat is behind that boy. Okay. So come. So we are telling come. So how we will come? Come quickly. There is a mouse. Mouse is there. Come quickly. There is a mouse. COME. Come quickly. There is a mouse. There is mouse. Mouse running. So here the action word is come. And quickly tells more about the action words. Okay, how you have to come? Means come, you have to come quickly. 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 Come quickly. There is a mouse. Understood, students? Quickly. Come quickly. Come quickly. There is a mouse. Okay, children? Now see number F. The girl is dancing here. See the sentence. She danced. She danced. How she danced? Beautifully. BEAUTIFULY. Beautifully. She danced beautifully. So here the word is dance. Beautifully. Beautifully tells more about the dance. Understood, children? So she danced beautifully. Understood? How was the dance? Dance was beautiful. Beautifully. She danced beautifully. Okay. Sentence number G. Do not eat fast. See, this girl is eating. See in the picture, girl is eating. Do not eat fast. Chew your food. You have to chew your food properly. Chew your food properly. Do not eat fast. Chew your food properly. PROPLEY. Properly. Chew. So how you have to chew? Properly. Understood? Very good. Okay. Now see sentence number H. The dog is barking. See here in the picture, dog is barking. And see that child is climbing tree because the dog is barking. So how the dog is barking? Okay, how action is happening? It describes the doing words. Doing word here is barking. So how the dog is barking? The dog is barking loudly. 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 The dog is barking loudly. Understood, children? The dog is barking loudly. Okay? Very good. You all are understanding. See, other exercise also we will do. This is not in your textbook. You have to add ly to the words. Add ly to the words for your practice. We will do this. Soft. 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 You have to add ly. Softly. SOFTLY. Soft. Softly. Slow. What will come? SLOW. Slow. Very good. You all know, no? Slow. Slowly. 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 Number 3 is careful. 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 It is carefully. 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 Okay, children. Soft. Softly. Slow. Slowly. Careful. Carefully. Understood? See here. Soft. Softly. Slow. Slowly. Careful. Carefully. Now see here. Swift. Swiftly. SWIFTLY. You have to add LY only to this word. Swift. Swiftly. Quick. Quickly. Quick. Quickly. Loud. Loudly. 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 See here again. Swift. Swiftly. Quick. Quickly. Loud. Loudly. Understood? See here. Swift. Swiftly. 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 Quick. Quickly. LY we are adding. QUICKLY. Quickly. Loud. Loudly. 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 Okay, children. Swift. Swiftly. Quick. Quickly. Loud. Loudly. Understood? Very good. Now see here number 7. Quiet. 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 So you have to add LY to the word. Quiet. Quietly. 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 Bad. 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 Badly. 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 Bad. Badly. Friend. 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 Friendly. 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 Okay, children. Friend. Friendly. See here. Quiet. Quietly. You have to add LY. QUIETLY. Quiet. Quietly. Okay. So, quietly. See again. Quiet. Quietly. Bad. Badly. Badly. Friend. Friendly. Friend. Friendly. Okay, children. See again we will do. Quiet. Quietly. 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 Number 8 is bad. 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 It is badly. 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 See again we will do. BAD. Bad. So see here. Look here. Very good. So BADLY we are adding. Badly. Okay. Friend. 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 Friendly. 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 Okay, children. So we have learned LY words which describes the doing words. So LY words tells how action happens. Okay. So you're quiet. Quietly. Bad. Badly. Friend. Friendly. We are adding LY to the words to show the action, how it happens. Okay? So I hope now you all have understood LY words. Okay, children? So take care of yourself. Watch these videos again if you have not understood. Okay, and ask me whenever you want. Okay, children? Okay, I will send you the PDF of this lesson. Okay, children, do it do it. Do your homework properly with good handwriting. Thank you all.